Because I want to try the lens from the GoPro. This is the GoPro Hero 10 filming at 2K 60 photograms per second at line mode. It means not really zoom. And here we are in those Alps. This is how it looks. Everything. Let's to put the smallest one. Here I have all the lens. The brand is Telesin, the 16 one. This is a 16 one. This is how it looks. With a 16, here is the sun. I don't know if you can see a difference. With this on, with this out. I don't know if I'm looking better off the 16 on. Whatever, it looks not really big. It looks nice. And I'm going to try now the 32. In 3, 2, 1. 16 is out. And now 32 is on. This is a 32 millimeters. I think it's a little bit dark, but the 16. This is now both of them. Now it's 32 plus 16. Yeah, this is, oh, it looks really nice also with the 13. But I think I'm going to use 32, the 16. But there is another one. The other one, I don't know which is one. I tried the 16, the 32, both. And this is one. Oh, the 8. This is the number 8. And here how it looks with the 8. Yeah, I think I will keep the 16. It's the middle one. For the snow, maybe it's the best one. Here's number 16. 16 is on. Yeah, this is the test from the Telesin. All the lens check. And this is how it looks at 2K. It was not good. Wow. This is the line in those Alps. You should not go there. And this is the mountain. And let's go down. Woohoo! Easy to do it. I don't know how to say it, but
Pero bueno, si ya fue que ya bien.